They said AI would make life easier, but no one asked what happens when it becomes smarter than us. Today, AI writes, speaks, paints, sings, even thinks. Tomorrow, will it create or will it control? Every day, AI learns faster, adapts quicker, and sees deeper. Machines that once obeyed are now beginning to understand. Soon, humans won't teach AI. AI will teach humans. The future isn't man versus machine, it's man becoming machine. Our jobs, our art, our choices, AI is shaping them all. What will be left when a machine knows you better than you know yourself? Will AI be our greatest creation or our final mistake? Every click you make, every word you speak, AI learns, adapts, evolves. You're not just using AI. AI is learning you. One day, it won't just assist humans, it will replace them. Or maybe it will become something greater, a mirror reflecting what humanity truly is. The question is not what AI will become. The question is, what will we become because of it? Every decision, every invention, every line of code, AI is silently shaping our future. Are we ready or already too late? Imagine a world where AI sees, thinks, and feels. And humans are no longer the smartest beings on Earth. The future is not coming. The future is already here. And it is watching us.